Okay guys, we're out here at Lucap Wharf, Alaminos City area. So I hope everybody's doing well. I know we are. We're having a pretty good day so far, so we're gonna go ahead and walk around and kind of see what's going on out here. We haven't been here in a while. So let's go take a look at the Christmas tree. Yeah, let's go walk over there. Gorgeous day today. Wonder why this is all blocked off.
Maybe they're going to repaint.
Oh yeah, I suppose. So yeah, as I was saying, we haven't been out here in a while, so I don't think since what?
Been a while.
March? When didn't we go out to the 100? No, April. When we went out to the 100 Islands with your brother. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it seems every time you come out here there's something that has changed, but right now I'm not seeing anything that stands out. Let's walk over here. The Christmas caroling has begun. First week of November. Nobody's selling fish. Yeah, we'll take a little walk over here by the tree. A lot better when it's nighttime and it's lit up, but I don't even think they turned the lights on yet, have they?
I don't know yet. There's no official poster.
Let's just wander over there and see what we've got. Yeah, it'll look nice when the thing lights up at nighttime. It's always really pretty.
Go and buy street food.
You can. You want to buy some?
I'll see first.
You're gonna spoil dinner.
Yeah. That's the one. Lugaw.
Look at all this, huh? Show mine.
Thank you, ma'am. Burger number 1, take 1 po. Show me lang po. Yes, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you, madam. Summer price po.
Whatever you like, hon.
Burger, ma'am. Buy 1, take 1.
You tried just about anything. Go for it. So we're checking out the street food over here at Lucap Wharf. Seeing if we find anything that looks interesting. Yeah, sure. Maybe get some iced tea. I got a big bucket of it down there.
But you make sure it was water.
All this stuff looks so good. Wait, which one? Which one are you getting?
This one, 5, and then this 2.
What's
You
that
see the
one?
head. This one is
Is that
in-
longanise?
It's not longanisa.
What is it?
It's a chicken head.
Oh, what?
Ano nga
Really?
ulit tawag dito sa atin kaya? Ulo. And then this one is gizzard.
Lizard?
Gizzard.
Gizzard.
Yeah. This one is
I'm sorry, I didn't.
it's chicken.
Oh, cool.
Also. I want to try one more. We will eat. We sit down and eat.
Okay. Hi, Leanne. How are you doing? I see you run a little food stand out here at Lucap Wharf. What kind of stuff are you selling? Honey, ask her what kind of stuff are we selling over here?
She's selling sari store.
This is a sari store basically.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically assorted beverages. What's this, toilet paper?
YouTube.
Toilet paper?
Yeah.
Wow. Even sell toilet paper. Now I know where to go if I run out of toilet paper. Yeah, nice.
To come and find madam.
Chips. So Leanne has chips, snacks, assorted drinks, and water. Lots of water. So if you're in Lucap Wharf area, come over and see Leanne. She'll hook you up. It even has balut. Everybody needs balut. So if you need balut, or you're in the mood for balut, come on over here and check out some balut. Leanne has it all. If she doesn't have it, she knows where to find it, right, Leanne?
And then I bought some.
And what did you get?
Steak.
All right.
Yeah, the local barbecue steak.
Local barbecue.
And Kuya is
Kuya?
He's from Magsaysay. also.
Kuya's from Magsaysay. You don't say, really? What's this called here? Parang Egil?
Yeah.
Egil Barbecue Grill since 2010. Kuya
Ehil.
Ehil.
Yeah.
Ehil? Very nice to meet you, Kuya Ehil.
I gave him your card.
Okay.
Magsaysay.
So if you want some barbecue, come on over here and check out Kuya Ehil. Egil? Ehil?
Ehil, yeah.
Okay, I think I got that pronunciation right. I apologize if I screwed that up, but anyways, there's his sign. If you're out here at Lucap, come over here and visit him. He's got some good chow. So we're gonna go find out for ourselves here in a second. Let's go eat, hon. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Leanne disappeared. Oh, there she is. See you later, Leanne.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You're on YouTube now. Yeah, that's a pretty cool place.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Let's go test drive this food. Where do you want to sit?
Everywhere. Where that we can sit with the table.
Preferably somewhere with a little bit of shade.
Over there.
Anyways, let's get settled. What you got over there, babe?
I bought a barbecue steak.
Barbecue stick?
Yeah.
What kind of meat though? Pork?
It's a pork, which locals always do. Like they always sell it over here, everywhere, even in town. Which is this is our it's #1 street food.
Hey, when we were, I didn't mean to interrupt, but when we were out on the riverboat cruise in Lubbock, or yeah, on the Lubbock River, is that the same thing that I was pulling off the buffet line over there?
Yes. But those are cut on a bigger size.
Okay. Well, then I know for a fact those are pretty good. I mean, I think any American appetite can handle that. It's not, you know, exotic in any way. It's just regular pork with whatever kind of sauce that you have on there.
Yeah.
It looks really good. I'm gonna.
They do they cut it purely for the commercial purpose. It's only 5 pesos.
Let's give this a shot. All right.
5 pesos.
5?
Yeah. Not bad for 5 pesos.
No, not at all. Pretty good. I can dig it. For sure. What you dipping it in there?
Vinegar.
Does that make it taste better?
Yeah, spice vinegar.
Okay. Well,
But if it's up to you if you wanted to no dip or you want to dip.
okay, I'll leave without, but yeah, I'll tell you what. That Kuya Ahil. Yeah, he does a good job over there. There's good stuff. So yeah, go visit him if you're over here at Lucap Wharf. He'll hook you up. Him and Leanne. Yeah. Gateway to the 100 Islands. Okay, there you have it. We're out here at Lucap Wharf, gateway to the 100 Islands. Hey, listen, if you've never been out this way, what do you think, just based on what you saw? Is it someplace you could see yourself coming and visiting, taking your family to, coming here with your girlfriend or your wife or your kids? Or if you've already been here, what did you think of it? Did you like it? Would you come back? Anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.